Hey guys, WWE 54231, and I got a Mattel Battle Pack, Miz and Alex Riley here that I'm going to unbox. Doesn't say the series, but also in the series we got John Cena, R-Truth, and Cody Rhodes and Rey Mysterio. So let's unbox it. Oh, first I'll show you the figures. There's the Miz, here's Alex Riley, comes with a briefcase. Pretty cool. First time, this is Alex Riley's first Mattel figure. Okay, so there's the Miz and Alex Riley. Take the front off. So let's take them out. There's the Miz. Briefcase out. And there's A-Rye, Alex Riley. And we put the briefcase in his hand because he came with it. So there you have it. The Miz and R-Truth Battle Pack unboxed. Sorry guys, I said R-Truth. Did I say R-Truth? Sorry, that's because I read the back. The Miz and Alex Riley Battle Pack unboxed. Thanks for watching, guys.